Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and today's quick tip is in Adobe After Effects CC 2022. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this faux, or fake audio spectrum animation. It looks like an equalizer bouncing up and down, and it's made using a text layer. And I learned this technique from Eran, who is an amazing After Effects educator. You can find his courses on LinkedIn Learning, or you can check out his website at sternfx.com. The composition size I'm working on is 1920 by 1080 pixels, and it's 10 seconds in duration. In the Layers panel, the only thing that I have is a dark blue solid that I'm using for the background. So come up to the top menu, click on the T for the type tool, or use the keyboard shortcut Command or Control T. I'm just going to click. I'm going to enter a lowercase I. The font that I'm using is called Londrina Solid. 150 pixels is the size. With the text layer selected, I'm going to use the Align panel and just align it to the center of the composition. And now it's time to add a simple expression to repeat the text layer. So select the text layer in the Layers panel, twirl open text until you see source text. Hold the Option key on a Mac, Alt on Windows, and click on the stopwatch next to source text. In all lowercase letters, just type out the word repeat. So R-E-P-E-A. You'll see After Effects is giving you that auto suggestion. You can hit enter or return, and all you need to do is enter in a number. The number is going to be how many times you want the character, whatever you typed in, to repeat. So I'm going to start with 25. I'm just going to click off. I'm going to select the layer in the Layers panel and just align it to the center. With the text layer selected, go down to where you see Animate, click on the arrow, and then click on Scale. Go down to that Scale property. First, click on the link icon. We want to be able to control the width and the height of the scale independently from each other. We'll keep the first value, which will control the width of the letters. We'll keep that at 100%. And the second one, which will control the height, we'll change it from 100% down to 10%. Hit enter or return. Then come over here to where you see Add. Click on the arrow. Go to Selector and choose Wiggly. Hit the spacebar, and using only one letter with no keyframes, we have this pretty cool animation. To control the speed of the animation, twirl open Wiggly Selector. You're looking for wiggles per second. The default is 2. If you hover your cursor, you can scrub to the left or the right. If I just click in there and enter 1, you're going to see that slows down the animation. Or if I change it to something like 5, that will speed up the animation. Some other ideas for you to customize this animation. Go down to the repeat expression. I'm just going to click in there and change it from 25 to 100. So I'll select the layer, go to the Align panel, align it to the center, then I'm going to align it to the bottom. I'll add my logo, and now I've got this pretty cool visual. Also, the text layer is fully editable. You can change the font, you can change the size, you can also experiment with different characters. If you don't want the dot over the I, try a lowercase l or the pipe character, which is located above the enter or return key on your keyboard. Maybe I'll type out my name. It looks a little funny like that, so I'll change the repeat expression from 25 to 1. Change the font size or the scale, and now my name is bouncing up and down. Pretty cool. So have some fun with this fake EQ that looks like it's reacting to music, but it's really just bouncing up and down. A big thank you to Eran for this pretty cool effect made in Adobe After Effects CC 2022. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.